This passage has been taken from the poem On His Blindness, composed by John Milton. This is the first stanza. Begins with the poem. Reference and context and explanation. There is three parts of the passage. Context, reference, context and explanation. Context means related link with the passage. Here the poet became blind at the age of near about 40. He was full of agony, sadness, mental tortured because his eyes has lost. So he expressed his experience through this poem. Now I want to explain the passage one by one line. Here is the word one talent. One talent means everybody in this world born with talent, whether he may know or not. What he do, what he does, work, that is the duty of every person. To do his duty is the main theme of this passage. Milton was a poet. He thinks that he is born to serve the people, the whole humankind, by his writing poem. A talent was given by the God. But he became blind. How to do his work? That was the problem of Milton. His mission of life is to serve the humankind. So, this is the main sorrowness of Milton, mental sorrowness. He expresses his experience through the poem. One talent means yogyata, pratibha. Or this is the faith. God is given to everybody a talent. There is no man, no woman in this world without talent. चाहे वो छोटा व्यक्ति हो, चाहे बड़ा हो, चाहे वो बड़ा काम करता हो या छोटा काम करता हो, everybody is talented. So Milton was given a talent composing a poem, which is death to height. Death to height. This is the problem of Milton. How to use his talent without eyesight. He became blind the problem of Milton is how to do his duty. He expressed his sorrow not how to do his duty. Talent was hide. He used his life without doing a creation, without doing a work. He did not want to use his life without work. So, मिल्टन की प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो चाहता है कि जो भी ईश्वर ने उसे फिजिकली, मेंटली, जिस प्रकार की गिफ्ट दी है, जितनी योग्यता उसे दी है, उसका वो भरपूर प्रयोग करना चाहता है और उसमें उसको कोई फॉल्ट भी नहीं है. He wanted to do his duty. This was the fault of another fault of fate. इसलिए वो चाहता है कि अपने उसकी जो प्रतिभा है वो मृत्यु के बाद समाप्त हो जाएगी और वो अपना जो मिशन है लाइफ का वो नहीं पूरा कर पाएगा. This was the duty. Lost make me useless. The word useless. The talent will be useless. Without eyesight, he could not do his work, so the talent became useless. Though my soul went, this was the mental agony of the John Milton, to serve with my Maker. With Maker. Maker means God. God is the maker of everybody. God is the maker of the whole creation. Whole creation. And maker sends everybody to do his work on the earth, to serve with thy. Serve means seva karna. Duty of every person to serve with his capacity, with his ability, whether it may be physically, mentally. There are so many power given by the God. And present my true account. Account means Hisab Kitab. What have you do? Tell me your true account. You use your talent or not? True account means जो ड्यूटी के लिए भेजा गया आपको, क्या वो ड्यूटी आपने की या नहीं की, और अगर की है तो ईश्वर की सेवा की है, क्योंकि वो टैलेंट जो दिया गया, एबिलिटी जो दी गई, वो ईश्वर की दी हुई है. ये जो हमारी बॉडी है, हमारी बॉडी में जितने भी टैलेंट है, ये ईश्वर के द्वारा किए हैं. और ईश्वर ने जो दिया है तो कोई पर्पस है, छिपा हुआ हिडन एजेंडा ऑफ द गॉड. वो क्या चाहता है आपसे करवाना, इसको हर किसी को समझना चाहिए. और जब आप नहीं करेंगे, आप अपनी ड्यूटी करने में फेल हो जाएंगे, तो आपका अकाउंट होगा, आपका हिसाब किताब होगा कि आपने ड्यूटी की या नहीं की. ही मीन्स गॉड. He refer here God. Returning child. Returning means at the time of account. At the time of account. One question is asked by God, every creature in this world. You use your talent or not? If you are failed to use your talent, then you will be punished Child means punished. Child means here punished. So मिल्टन दंडित नहीं होना चाहता है। मिल्टन की इच्छा नहीं है कि वो दंडित हो, इस वजह से कि उसने टैलेंट का, उसने अपनी योग्यता का, जो कविता करने की योग्यता थी, उसका पूरा प्रयोग नहीं किया। हमें भी ये समझना चाहिए इस पैसेज के माध्यम से कि हम जो भी हमारे पास क्षमता है, अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार अपने कार्य को परफॉर्म करना चाहिए। परफॉर्म योर ड्यूटी अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कैपेसिटी, दैट इज द सर्विस ऑफ गॉड। यही वर्शिप कर रहा है, यही वर्शिप है ईश्वर की, कि आप अपने कर्म को, जो ईश्वर चाहता है, जो उसका एजेंडा है, आपको भेजने का, हम सबको भेजने का जो एजेंडा है, उसकी सफलता तभी है कि जब हर व्यक्ति अपना पूरा का पूरा 100% योगदान अपने कर्तव्य के लिए दे। यही मिल्टन की प्रॉब्लम है। मिल्टन अंधा हो गया, इसका मतलब यह नहीं है कि वो अंधे होने से दुखी है। His main problem is how to do his duty. Here we see that Milton is devoted to his duty. This is the best service of God. Thank you.